Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are learning one of the most important DAX functions in Power BI, if functions. It is simple, but once you understand it, you will be able to write powerful conditional logic in your reports. Okay, let's dive in. So, what does if function do? In simple terms, if checks whether a condition is true or false and then returns a value depending on the result. Okay, let's check the syntax. The syntax is if logical test, then value if true, then value if false. Think of it like this: if condition is true, then return which one, this one, else return that. Okay, let's look at a quick example. I imported a table that contains order ID, customer name, region, and sales amount. Okay, suppose if we have the sales table with these columns called sales amount, we want to create a column that shows whether each sale is high or low. Okay, if it is a greater than 4,000, then it should show high or else low. Okay, here, sales status is equal to, if sales of sales amount is greater than 4,000, then it should show high or else low. This means that it if sales amount is greater than 4,000, returns high, otherwise returns low. Here we should make use of max or min, some aggregate function we should use, otherwise it will give an error. Okay, so I added this measure here. You can check if it is a greater than 4,000, it is showing high. This is high because these are all greater than 4,000, and this is low because this is less than 3,000. Got it? Okay. Sometimes you need more than two options. That's where nested if comes in. Okay. For example, look at this one. Sales category is equal to, if sales of sales amount greater than 6,000, then premium. If sales of sales amount greater than 4,000, then standard. Else what? Basic. Okay. Here, sales greater than 6,000 are premium, between 4,000 and 6,000 are standard, and the rest are basic. Okay, I added this in the table. You can check if it is between 4,000 and 6,000, then it is a standard. Greater than 6,000, this one is a premium. Else, it is a basic. Got it? Yeah. Before we wrap up, here's a few quick tips. Okay. Always make sure your logical test makes sense in the current context. Okay. One more thing is, look for complex logic. Consider using a switch instead of multiple nested if. Okay, it's cleaner. Got it? Remember, if uh, is the right if can return text, numbers, or even other expressions. Got it? Yeah, and that's the if function in Power BI. It's one of the simplest function, but super powerful when you start combining it with other DAX functions. Yeah, and if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more powerful Power BI tutorials, and let me know in the comment section which DAX function you want me to cover next. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.